Hi, it's Kathy, the art teacher from Art Projects for Kids. Today I've created a drawing video to show you how to draw a flag. Once you learn how to draw the shape, you can turn it into any kind of flag that you want. Here's how you do it. Before you begin, gather your art supplies of pencil, marker, and crayons. You can also download this free matching flag tutorial from my website. I always recommend making guides on your paper before you start to draw. You just need to fold and crease the paper in half in both directions. You'll have lines that match my tutorial, and you don't have to worry about erasing them later on. Plus, they really do help you see where to draw each step. Step number 1. To help plan the drawing of a large rectangle that's going to turn into your flag, draw 4 dots on your paper like this. Now, connect those dots with straight lines and try to make them pretty light. The top and bottom ones are going to be erased in a moment, so that's the reason why we don't want them to be too dark. Step number 2. To draw the flagpole, draw one side by extending the top and bottom lines. Then draw a parallel line next to it. Cap the top with a curve, and then add a little ball shape above it. Step number 3. Add a small little curve shape at the top for the ring that holds the flag, and then do the same near the bottom. Step number 4. Draw the side of the flag with a curve from the top ring to the bottom. Now it's time to make the top of the flag look wavy. Draw a slight one like this with about 2 or 3 dips in it. Then draw the same wavy line at the bottom as best you can with the same number of dips. Okay, now that that wavy flag is drawn, the original rectangle can go away. Erase the top and bottom line that you don't need anymore. Oh, and you do also need to erase those lines inside the little rings. Alright, so the flag is drawn, so it's time to trace all of those lines with a black marker. Working slowly will give you the best chance of staying right on that original pencil line drawing. Remember, before you color, it's easy to turn this basic flag into all different kinds of flags that are used many different ways. For instance, here's how you would turn this flag into one with 3 horizontal sections. Here's how you'd finish one with 3 vertical sections. Also, drawing one with a kind of plus sign in the middle is easy. I recommend drawing 2 overlapping stripes like this, and then erasing the extra lines in the middle. Also, turning this into a Canadian flag is pretty easy. You just draw 2 lines and then add a maple leaf in the center. And one final example, the United Kingdom flag. Start with a plus sign in the middle like this. Here's how you can fill in the first rectangle. It looks like a lot at first, but it's really just 2 triangles and a line. Then repeat symmetrical versions of this in the next 3 rectangles. My flag tutorial printout will help if you need a closer look. Okay, now back to my original flag, which I decided to color like this. I added a few clouds in the background too, which always makes a drawing a little more fun to look at. Hey, I really appreciate your following along with me today, and I hope you've enjoyed this flag tutorial video. Please check out my website, Art Projects for Kids, for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. You can find one for how to draw a trophy and how to draw balloons. I'll see you next time, and I hope you keep on drawing.